What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. AuzSOME here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it's awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. Markets have taken a complete turn for what we thought was going to happen. I mean, I think a lot of us knew that there was eventually going to be an uptick in the market, and we can see right now that that's actually exactly what happened here. The markets are actually looking pretty damn good again. Everyone that was patient, everyone that was waiting, everyone that actually bought the dip, and I guess was calm about it, we actually prospered from this. So I was talking to a couple people online on X this morning, just about like how in the last 5 years it's just been kind of crazy, and this was kind of one of those like where buying the dip actually really did pay off. I can't explain it. It's just one of those things. I'm just happy that a lot of people did. I'm happy that a lot of people held true, stayed true to their trading, and they didn't panic and just decide to sell off a ton of their investment. I mean, I know that some people got liquidated out there. I know that some people, obviously were struggling trying to figure out what to do, but the people that were patient and held on to it did really well. And I just appreciate everyone tuning in last night. And again, it's not easy. Those are not easy, man. Those are some crazy events, and you can't plan for those. You think you do. You think you can follow trends and do all that kind of stuff. You can't plan for those kind of things. And I'm just happy that there was a lot of people that are here today that made it through it and are actually up on their bags right now. I'm one of them. As you guys know, I played the game last night. I understood the assignment, and here we are today. So things are actually looking pretty damn good. As you can see, we still are down overall 1.42%. But as you guys know, we fell down below 3 trillion. We went down to 2.96 or 2.92 trillion, I think is what the market cap was yesterday, after it was completely getting obliterated yesterday. Almost $2 billion, over $2 billion was liquidated from the markets. Now we're sitting about 2.23 trillion. So we're back in the game here. You can see over the last 24 hours, we've actually gone up on a few products, a few crypto projects. XRP is back up almost 4% over the 24 hours. So that's pretty damn good considering how far those things have fallen. Even Bitcoin's back up right now. Ethereum is struggling right now. So that's kind of, a little worrisome there. But Hedera up 0.18% over the last 24 hours. So again, some of our main projects are looking pretty damn good. And I just want to say what's up to everyone in the chat here. Appreciate you guys all being here, man. Mark, what's up, dude? We got Mark in the house here. Relentless Crafty. We got Selmo Fudd. We got Big Watch Dude. We got Big Watch Dude in the house here. What's going on, dude? We got Andreas, Sirius, Relentless. Good to see you guys. William, good to see you, William. Wild Dog, Sandra, Corey. I'm going fast through them. If I say what's up, guys, we got Ripperino. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. We're moving up again. Let's go. Yeah, we're moving up again. The markets are actually looking pretty damn good. I sold at a small loss spot under $2, made more coins, and yeah, dude, Anthony, that's the way to do it, man. That's the way to do it. I did see in Discord that someone, I'm not going to put them on blast here, but they did put their 401k in the dip last night, and so they made out like a bandit today. Only rumors that you caused the crash, asking for a friend. Mark, you funny, man. You funny. Hope everyone stuck to your advice and bought the dip. Serious profits going to be made. Yeah, there was already serious profits being made right now. You can see right now, even with it going, we still have over 2.12 billion in liquidations over the past 24 hours. So this will obviously come down. The liquidations have slowed down. You can see right here, we're actually looking pretty good. Over the hour, there's actually more shorts now getting wrecked than longs. You can see that right there. 6.38 million shorts getting wrecked compared to 4.03. You can see now, look at this, guys. Look at now what's going to start happening here is that the shorts are eventually going to get wrecked here based off of the comeback. So people are putting shorts in on the market. The longs now are going to take back over. So again, the liquidations are crazy. People are playing the game. The good thing is a lot of us here, we're doing some spot trading yesterday, and we made some really good profits. I mean, we can go down the list of these things. Look at XRP, dude. This is in a 12-hour period. I mean, we made some pretty killer money off of these dips right here. H-bar back up, dude. Back up above where my purchases were at 24, 22, and 19. I mean, I'm in profits right now. After yesterday and all the craziness, I'm in profits, and I know a lot of you guys are too, and I'm super thankful that a lot of you guys rode through this. Are you expecting another correction in XRP? I don't know. I don't think that this was a correction. I'm not anticipating another correction like this. No, I didn't anticipate a correction this big. My anticipation was maybe 34% dip, which again, I put in my video yesterday. We talked about it a lot. I think 34% dip was my target, and I missed that. I missed that target big time. My target was 225, and it dipped well below 225. So again, you can't account for this event right here. This is a pretty big event right here. People can say it's a black swan event. This is probably one of the biggest liquidations ever in the history of crypto that you guys now experienced. I mean, it's not the largest, but it's definitely one of the largest liquidations events in a 24-hour period. Literally, we liquidated $2 billion, and I felt like maybe like 3-4 hours. I've never seen that before in the history of being in crypto. So you guys have all experienced history too. And I don't think anyone anticipated this. Not even the best sellers in the game anticipated this. So, I mean, Michael Saylor even came out and said that, last week, MicroStrategies did not sell any shares of Class A common stock. They didn't even buy the dip. So you can't tell me that, you can't tell me that one of the number one holders in crypto, if they anticipated the dip here and had any idea that it was going to do that, they would have probably bought some, and they didn't. They didn't actually buy any on this dip. So even the best players in the game didn't even engage in what was going on here. So it just kind of tells you a whole lot that this was unexpected. There were some people that obviously made out on it. A lot of retail investors made out on it. I made out on it. Some of you guys made out on it. I think people that were patient and wanted to sort of, understood that this was eventually going to bounce back, understood that we're in February. Usually February is a really good month for crypto. Understood that that this is all smoke and mirrors, which it is. And I think it proved today, even with the stock markets. I mean, the stock markets bounced back as Trump pauses the tariffs on Mexico. Maybe today, after his conversation with Trudeau, he's going to pause it with that of Canada, which will cause the markets to bounce back even more. I don't know if he's going to actually pause it with China. There's nothing been said about that. But again, this is all just a tactic for Trump to go out here and leverage America, right? And that's kind of what it is. And unfortunately, some people paid the cost. They paid the price for it because they got liquidated. But things are looking positive. Even Vanguard coming out announcing that they're going to cut fees for nearly 100 funds. This is actually incredible to include their ETFs. This is crazy, dude. I don't know why they would do that, but I mean, hey, dude, they're going to save over $350 million for investors off doing that kind of stuff. That's pretty badass. But this definitely is what caused the charts to, I think this is what calmed the charts down this morning. 100%. 100% this helped calm the charts down. Batchman, what's up, dude? Vincenzo, good to see you guys. Blue eyes with white dragon, white lightning. Yes, Austin, great fire sale. It was a fire sale. You guys, anyone that's new to crypto got to experience what it's like to go through something like that. And I think a lot of you, with patience, it paid off tremendously. A lot of people out there on the internet, a lot of influencers were going crazy, right? Their taglines, their videos. I did watch some of them last night, and I was like, that's crazy, dude. They were like really pushing this, like we're crashing type rhetoric, and it's like, man, I was tripping, Billion, right? I was tripping, trying not to panic sell. Yeah, panic sell into what's going to hurt you the most, dude. I guess that 225 hit, huh? So it did hit. I was saying 225 for like a month. Everyone thought I was crazy, and I thought I was crazy too. But a 225 hit, and here we are today, dude. Golf and Rob, what's up, man? I think the most valuable lesson I learned on this dip was to make sure I always have enough funds on the side for a scenario like this. 100%, dude. Again, you should only be investing what you're willing to lose. And the thing is, what's crazy about this is that some people, are investing their their rent, they're investing their car payments, and sometimes leverage trading can really hurt you. You can win on leverage trading. It's not my cup of tea. Damn, drop my average cost across my portfolio. Yeah, mine too, dude. Mine too. Tariffs on pause for now. Yeah, that's great, right? Tariffs on pause are great. Chameleon, what's up, dude? Good to see you, dude. Yeah, what's up, Seiko? We got Seiko Hunt in the house here. What's up, buddy? We're part of the crypto history yesterday. Absolutely, dude. We were watching live on stream. I never seen that before. Outside of Terra Luna was the only one where I saw the markets just completely fall flat. And I was actually live during the Terra Luna collapse. And the Terra Luna collapse was crazy to watch as well. And this was pretty crazy to watch yesterday. I'd never seen a day chart keep falling. We just kept that day chart kept falling and falling and falling and falling. And it was wasn't on the hour chart, wasn't on the 4-hour chart. It was literally on the day chart, and it was just looking like a rug. It was just looking like a rug. I was like, holy crap, dude. And then when we hit 173, a lot of people bought that up, and here we are right now. So at 225, let's go. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, no. I just entered a few weeks ago, but the baby hands are made of diamonds. Hell yeah, dude. Brady, that's awesome, dude. I mean, that you guys got to experience it, and that's really what it's about, is experiencing is getting that experience. I think that's super important. A lot of people actually, never gone through something like that. They don't really know what to expect. And it's kind of crazy when you think about it that people haven't actually gone through something like that before. Again, I think it's something that it's good experience for a lot of people, especially if you're new to crypto, to actually have that experience now. I think it's actually ginormous. Now you know what to expect. You've learned from your positioning. You learned a lot of things. I even learned a little things yesterday, right? As much as we expected it, I still learned a lot from it, right? You learn little things on what to do and what to look for. So Real Ice Bear, thanks so much for the $5, dude. You helped prepare for this historical event. Thank you. No, dude, that's awesome to hear. I think a lot of us prepare for this. I mean, I was talking about how I'm excited for February, but I was always anticipating that there was going to be a correction because that's what history told us. And we had a historical correction yesterday. We were expecting a correction, but yesterday was a historical correction. And I don't think that we've seen anything like that. I mean, you go on X right now, and it's crazy. You just see everything across the board here about how historical this dip was. I mean, there's just so many people out here to create a sovereign wealth fund. That's interesting. But yeah, you just see right here, gold reaches a new high. There's so many crazy things going on in the world right now. But I think a lot of people are actually out here talking about how this was historical in terms of numbers. I can't find the tweets, but there's a lot of tweets out here about the liquidation event and everything like that, about how it was the biggest in history. It's kind of wild, guys. It is really a crazy scenario. I will admit, I was kind of taken speechless yesterday as well. Is on zero, but didn't receive my coins. Yeah, because it's moving to the next jackets. It's moving to the next phase, right? So it's on pre-sale still. So it's moving now to become more and more expensive. So that's why the pre-sale will move up in price. And then they should be. I don't know when they're going to launch. They haven't announced a launch date. So yeah, but the Pure Wallet pre-sale is still out. It's still going. I expect it's going to go for a little bit longer to get more people involved. So, Karen, I would click on that. Vincenzo, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Crypto Black Sunday, yeah, dude. It was a fire sale for sure. It was definitely one of those events that you just you can't account for. We sat there and tried to, we tried to account for it, tried to be on top of it, but I didn't expect a 173. I'll admit that. I didn't expect Bitcoin coming back down and hitting almost hitting 91 again. And then Ethereum, right? Ethereum got pounced on, dude. Like Ethereum almost went back into the 1900s. I was like, holy crap, dude. Yes, I did see this tomorrow. Yes, we're gonna actually. You can see right here tomorrow. So we'll be live. We'll be streaming this live tomorrow. I'm sure a lot of other people will be streaming this live, but 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is about 11:30 p.m. here. We'll be live streaming this, so this will be cool to sort of see. It's going to be with President Trump and David Sachs to host a press conference. I'm assuming it's going to be on X tomorrow, which will be really cool because then we'll stream it and not get flagged. So that will be really cool to see. And I'm excited to sort of see what this brings. I think that there's a lot of positive things going to come from this. And as you guys don't know, I mean, David Sachs is also part of the PayPal mafia. He's one of the creators of PayPal. He's close to Elon, all those people. He's coming from the PayPal era. And so David Sachs is obviously if you watch his podcast, the All In podcast, he's a really based person. I think he has a really good head on his shoulders and he understands crypto and the technology behind it. So when I saw that David Sachs was actually announced as the crypto czar, I was pumped, dude, because I mean, if you watch the All In podcast, he's actually an extremely reasonable person. And I kind of dig that. So again, I'm willing to lose it all, but unfortunately I have nothing to lose. I like that saying. What's up, Inca? Good to see you, dude. Mucker, what's up, Austin? I feel like we survived an apocalypse. Yeah, it feels like that. That just got you prepped for the bear market, dude. That got you prepped for the bear market. Now you know what a bear market's gonna feel like. 808 Mimi, what's up, Bob? What's up, Bob Fox? 808 Mimi, what's up? We got thank you, Austin, for keeping us calm and focused on the big picture. 100%. That's what we're here for, dude. You guys support me, I support you, and that's really what happened yesterday. And in the big scheme of things, because the last thing you want to do is go through something like that and not have support, right? So we're going to continue to see that. You guys out of here? All right. I love you. Love you too. All right. Love you. All right. Have a good day. Okay. The kids had a late they had a late start today for the snow. So yeah, they're leaving right now. Pure Wallet update. Yeah, Pure Wallet. I'm hoping Pure Wallet hits mainnet today, dude. Kevin, thanks so much for the 10 gifted memberships. If Kevin gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Didn't buy the dip. Set some funds up in case another sad Robinhood only shows it dipped to 216. Damn, really, Robert? That's crazy. 216. Phew. Austin, the calm in the storm. Haha, Karen, I appreciate that. XRP forming a flag. It's actually looking. I mean, it's hard to pull a fib on this one. I think I did pull a fib. Yeah, I did end up pulling a fib again on it just to sort of see where it was at. I mean, you know, if you take away this fallout from where we were at right now, I mean, we're technically building back up right now. This is still a really great buying opportunity for a lot of people. I mean, people that are saying that. I mean, this was unexpected. So this is a dead cat bounce right here. Boom! Look at that. That's what they call a dead cat bounce. It hits the floor and comes back up hot. I mean, we went from, if you bought this at 173 to where it's at right now, that's a 50% return, guys. A 50% return in less than 12 hours, dude. A 50% return on your investment. That is a dead cat bounce per the definition. Hit the ground, bounce back up, and now we're 50% up where we were. Like, if you got in on that, that is insane. You know what I mean? And so a lot of us were buying here at the, you know, even the $2, right? I bought at the $2. You know, I'm up 31% on that buy. I bought at the 225. I'm up roughly 17% on that buy. I mean, we're up right now across the board. Even if I bought at 45 right here, and I'm still up. So, you know, things are looking good. Same with the H bar, dude. I bought H bar at 24, at 23, and then I bought it here at 19.5, and now I'm up. And this is where you make a lot back. You make a lot of your money back on this. I'm up almost 33% on that bounce right there. So yeah, these are just great opportunities, things that you should continue to look at and know that these things, we're in a bull market, guys. If this was a bear market, I would obviously preach caution to you guys if we were in a bear market, but we're not in a bear market. We are in a bull market, and these events happen. History has shown that these events happen, that there's liquidations in the market, and we do bounce back from these. And this is proven exactly what happens here. We do hit the bottom of these, we do settle it, and then we bounce back up. And so, although this event is a kind of a rare event, we are going to bounce back to this, and we're going to see us back up in here into these realms. I do think that history has shown us this before. We can go back and look at all the previous years. We will always bounce back, and I think February will begin that bounce back. Like I said, I put the dates out here. My dates are still here. Well, they were still here. Where'd they go? Oh, right here. Here we go. February 13th, we'll start to build back out. I think February 13th is when we start to have a breakout again. That's what I think. Again, I could be wrong. I'm not going to be 100% right. It could be breakout before that. It could break out a little after that. But I'm thinking around this timeline is where we have a breakout. But still, this is now become accumulation. We should be accumulating at these prices. If you have the money to accumulate, I would accumulate. If you don't, you know, again, then just relax and just wait for it to come back. You know what I mean? Don't invest anything that you're willing to lose. You only invest what you're willing to lose. Do not invest things that you are afraid to lose. What's up, Tony? Good to see you, man. Zach, how do you get a membership? I think I put it up. How do you get gifted a membership? I think that you have to have your gifts on or something like that. I had to sleep, so I missed out on the fire sale. Oh, it's all good, Shogun. Hey, there's still good prices. You guys are. I had to start over, but I got some in my bag all ready to build. All right, Joe. Good. What's up, everyone? What a difference a day makes. 100% Zegos. I bought the dip the entire way down. I know you were texting me last night on X, and you were stressing out, man. And I was just saying, hey, just, you know, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. So I'm glad you bought it, and now you're up. Lou, thanks so much for the $5. Did anyone use CoinEx? It's down, or did the exchange just steal everyone's money? Dude, yeah, you got to be careful with these exchanges, man. CoinEx, I have no idea, dude. I don't use it. I hope that you didn't get your money taken out on it, dude. I hope that you can still access it. That's scary, man. You got to stick to large exchanges. Don't stick to the small ones. I appreciate the $5, but if anyone can help him, let him know. Yeah, these tariffs will affect international business and force Ripple Ledger adoption. That'll be nice, Yellow Snow. I'm with you. I got it at the last second with the pre-sale. Are you planning on discussing that today as well? It's not. It's going to go. I think the pre-sale moves on. I think the pre-sale moves on just to let everyone. I think it's going to go up in price here. It's at 0. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's see what happens here. That's interesting. Yeah, it should go on. I don't know why it paused. That's interesting. I wonder if you can actually still buy right now. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. I saw the charts were down. The charts are down. So I went for a walk and went for the shops. Okay. That's good. You go out and touch some grass. Um, I sold at a high, bought the dip, definitely helped my bags. Hell yeah. I picked up ICP at 5.6. Dude, heck yeah, that's a good buy. Crazy. I live on the border of Yugoslavia and Bulgaria. That is crazy that you're all the way over there. Is there any major economic events that will cause more FUD? Not like a tariff. Seems like the tariffs are definitely do not react well to to the uh, the markets. I mean, you can see the markets are coming back, but those tariffs definitely caused a reaction in the market. I mean, this is on a global scale. Oh yeah, different vibe with green candles, 100%, dude. Derek Sanchez, member for 1 month, dude. Heck yeah, crashed, chilled, knowing I was holding my bag along, dude. That's yeah, relax. Again, yeah, just patience. Patience pays off. I promise you. It's I know it's a hard thing to say. It's a hard thing to do, but now you've experienced it. Now you've experienced what it's like to be patient, right? Don't get frantic. Don't get nervous. Don't start selling your bags. Just be patient. Ike, what's up, dude? H bar is the only sleeper. I have a feeling it's about to skyrocket. H bar is definitely primed. I feel like H bar has done really well, even with the downfall that it has. It was fun but intense, but that was an opportunity. Oh, it was a good opportunity. Yeah, a lot of people ask me what's crazy about this. In a couple weeks from now, everyone's going to go, man, I wish I could buy H bar at 19 cents again. I wish I could buy XRP at $2. They're actually going to look back and say, I wish I could still buy it at 265. Watch in a couple weeks from now, people are going to say, oh, I wish I could have bought XRP at 265. That's because ETH is in a bad system. Yeah, ETH is a little rough. Without your help, I would have ended up panic selling my bags. Bree, I'm happy you didn't. I'm happy it all bounced back. Honestly, like you don't even trust me. I've been there before. I know what it feels like, and I'm glad that you didn't. I took your advice, took my money from savings, and now I'm in the profits. And my husband's still angry. I took money out of the bank. I just can't win. Well, hey, you're gonna win when you're up big time, and you look back and you put that savings back in, and you're still up, tenfold. So yeah. Hey, kudos to you. Yeah, just take profits. But when you get the chance to put that back in your savings, put it back in your savings. You know what I mean? That's the best thing you can do. I doubled my bag last night, dude. Hell yeah, bro. First time in this scenario, didn't panic, didn't take full advantage, but did get some action. That's all that matters, Chris. Get your feet wet with it. It's your first time. A team listening along this morning and bought that nice dip. Hell yeah, Michael B. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, there'll be more positive news. Tomorrow will be a good day with this coming out here. Where to go? This will be really good tomorrow. I think it'll help put a lot of people at ease of what's going on here. Let's see here. Trump hating yesterday. Oh man, you got to leave politics out of it. You know what I mean? You got to leave politics out of it. This was. I mean, yeah, the tariff thing was crazy. Don't get me wrong, and the market spoke, but the market was going to speak regardless. You know what I mean? Where did you find the news about? Just on X right here, Cointelegraph. It's actually in the Discord. You can see Cointelegraph is one of the tweets that I retweet out there. Thank you for keeping us calm and focused. 100% 808 memes. Predator, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Trump picked up another 83,000 ETH on that dip. Damn, dude, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like that's crazy to think. You know what I mean? Like some people made out on this big time, and he's probably one of them that takes advantage of that for sure. That anticipation's crazy. It went down to 2,000, dude. 2,000 ETH. Now it's back up to 2,700. That's wild. We were at 3,500 just a few days ago, guys. Through a few days, literally on Friday, we were at almost 3,500 ETH on Friday. We're at 3440, and then we just came off a cliff like that. Yeah, I had issues with Coinbase. It took me an hour to get my ETH off of Coinbase to buy the pre-sell. Austin, much love, bro. I miss those days. Well, kind of. My kids are grown up. Oh, I know. It's super cool. Scott Starr, thanks so much for the $5. We appreciate you. I've learned so much from your content. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I'm happy that people are learning because that's all that matters, right? Just learn from it, and then do it. Dead cat bounce got booted. Ike, thanks so much for $2. XCN's crushing. Yeah, a lot of things are crushing it right now. We can go back and look. Yeah, there's a lot. I mean, XDC's back up. Uniswap's back up. I mean, there's a lot of positive cryptos out there that are up right now. XCN back up 27% right now. Yeah, XCN's killing it. Back up into these areas. So that's a good one. But like I said, a lot of these are back up. I mean, dude, 50% up for XRP. This is a 50% swing right here. H bar's at a 40% swing right here. I mean, these are really, really good swings across the board. You couldn't have lost. Like, if you bought the dips yesterday, you didn't lose. That's basically what it comes down to. Looking back, if you bought the dips, you didn't lose. And that's crazy to say. That's crazy to say right now. we did not lose yesterday after buying these dips. We are up now and have more in our bag, and we're in a better position than we were on Friday. Honestly. JP Keys, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Appreciate that a ton. I'm gonna try to catch up to the stream, try to catch up to you guys here. Sammy, thanks so much for the donation. Couldn't buy anything in Coinbase at the dip. Yeah, Coinbase was kind of locked up, which is kind of sad to say. I had a hard time with my ETH as well on Coinbase. Again, another reason why decentralization is so powerful, because a lot of things don't actually, you can move your money around freely on a decentralized network versus with an exchange. They can lock your money up pretty quickly. So again, learning from that, just know that the exchanges have a lot of power with your money. It's not your money, it's actually theirs. And so they're going to dictate what they do with it. So just, again, protect yourself when it comes to these exchanges for sure. Austin, 100% correct. Sell the clothes off your back for XRP and H-bar. Are you done? Are we done buying the dip? Or done buying? I mean, I think these are still in really good buy zones. If you go back and look at these are still in buy zones. If you don't account for this sell-off right here and account for where it's at, I mean, H-bar, we know that the buy zones are anywhere from 29, we would say 30 down to where we're at right now is a good buy zone. Same with XRP. XRP is still in a buy zone. This is still in a really good buy zone. Anywhere between the green is a good buy zone, right? You can still buy in the 382 right here. So I hear people not being able to buy on all the platforms. I never ever had a problem with crypto.com. They never halted either. That's pretty good, Timsky. That's good. Yeah, crypto.com seems to be pretty good. Has anyone heard that Ripple XRP has a commercial? That'd be cool if they do. That'd be cool if they do have a commercial. Sometimes you use small exchanges for hard to find tokens. Just move those to hard. Yeah, move those. I would agree, Tim. Yes, move those off into a hot wallet or something like that, or a cold wallet. I'm down 6 cents on the month, almost back to the saddle. Heck yeah, Ike. Get back in that saddle, dude. I saw some really funky candles last night. Thought on market manipulation. Oh, Brady, it was market manipulation. That's finest, dude. There's nothing. What happened is it just takes one major sell to start the whole catalyst, to start the whole fall, right? The dominoes started falling, and then the liquidation started happening, and then it's just like a machine. You can't stop the machine. And once one liquidation happens, the next liquidation, it just keeps falling and falling and falling, and it's like it gets depegged from the market and just keeps going. Thanks for Big B, no problem. BTC close to 99. I know I'm seeing that right now. We're about to break back into the 100,000 marker here, which is great. Solana's Solana's kind of clunky. Sui hasn't proven itself yet. I think that there's a difference between the two. I think they're both great. I own both of them. But I think what it comes down to is, Sui is just kind of the new kid on the block. You know what I mean? Has a good upside to it. You were really the only guy I follow not crying and freaking out yesterday. Andrew, I appreciate that. It's kind of crazy that people are freaking out. And a lot of these content creators have been here before. This isn't their first rodeo either. So if they were freaking out, it's kind of crazy to me. Market definitely called Trump's bluff. He backtracked and opened actually a month-long negotiation with Mexico. That's good. And I think that's good, actually. I think a negotiation is good, right? It's a negotiation tactic. And I think Trump did a good, regardless of how you feel about it, it doesn't matter now. It's hindsight 2020. He put the tariffs out there, and now they're on the negotiating table, and markets are looking good. So again, that's all I care about. Bear market doesn't feel like that. We knew this would be short and term. The bear market is sad. This was fun. That's true. The bear market, this will at least prepare you for how it feels when you start losing in the bear market. You think it will go down in the coming days? We'll have to continue to watch this. I mean, it hasn't even settled. We haven't settled down yet. We got to go back and actually try to figure out where this is going to settle. You got to find a floor here that we can build off of. I don't know where that floor is going to be. Is it going to build here around the 0.5? It could. Same with XRP. Is it going to build around the 0.5? I was saying anywhere from 20. I was saying that it was nice to be able to build a floor here between 225 and whatever, but it looks like we're kind of building up here, and it would be nice if we built somewhere around this 0.5, around the 270 marker would be nice. But you can see, look at the volume up here at 231. I mean, 210, 310. There's so much volume up here. It's crazy how fast I got liquidated. So you're probably going to build a nice little floor here right around, you can see right here on this volume, right around 245. But yeah, if we continue to build up and build this floor and get back up here to 3, I mean, that would be ideal, right? That would be ideal. What about XLM? Yeah, XLM's kind of getting a little left out here. It actually hasn't bounced back as high as the other ones have. You know, it's bounced back, but definitely not as high as the other ones. 35%. That's not too bad, actually. You know, again, that's kind of the one that gets left there. But I mean, it's starting to bounce back. It's going to do the same thing here. This is still a good buying opportunity for XLM. I mean, we're literally just buying it at 42 back like 4 days ago. 4 days ago, we're buying it at 43, and it's down to 35 right now. Yeah, it's gonna do well. Austin, you saved those big time. If it wasn't for you, I would have sold everything. Oh, Mark, dude, I appreciate that, man. Martin, thanks so much for the $5. Did you save me from a panic selling at 10K loss, down 1K now, DCA'd at 280? Better to grab the falling dagger than go and fight without a weapon, dude. 100%, Martin. I'm happy that you did not take the 10K loss, bro. I'm like thankful you did not take that loss, and now you're down a little bit. Well, we'll fight back out of this, dude, and we'll be back in the profits here soon, for sure. And thank you so much for the donation, and that's awesome to hear, man. Solana hit 176 people from begging under 200. Yeah, had an average cost of 223 yesterday. Nice, that's actually really good. 323 yesterday, bought it. Now you're at 230. Damn, Jed, that's great, dude. 230 now. Appreciate you, Seiko. 18 strong, 100%, dude. Travel Bros, thanks so much, man. Bot sub, connected Discord to YouTube. I'm still in the category, not verified in your channel. Oh, yeah, you just got to go to the rules section. Click on the rules, Travel Boss. Go to the rules. Go down to the bottom, hit the check mark, and then you can see the little emojis in the channels, and go select what channels you want to go into. That's your thing. And I appreciate the donation to the channel. But yeah, you gotta go down, select the rules, and then hit the emojis for the categories. Boomer, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Only had 500 to spare yesterday, but man, I was so nervous. Thank you, Austin, the A team, for all the support and keeping it positive last night, dude. I'm hoping you took that $500 and you put it in somewhere and made a good profit off it, Boomer. But we're back in the green now, dude. We're back in the green, and we're going to continue to build out of this. We can go back and look at the history, guys. If you want to go back and look at the history and make you guys feel a little bit better, we can. I've shown the history before with this. I think it's something that you guys should see and continue to just look at and realize that we are, you know, when in doubt, zoom out on these things and just realize that there's a lot to build off of this. Let me go. I think it's this one. Nope, it's this one. You know, I've shown this multiple times on the channel here of like where we're at with this kind of stuff. And this is another good example of the dips, right? So this is back in 2021. We had a 31% correction in the market on Bitcoin before we actually built out of it. So inauguration is the green line. Inauguration was right here on the 21st, and then we came down and we built back out of this. And this is February right here, guys. Right here is February. This is February right here. Okay, you can see that right there. We built out of it February, January, February. We came and built back out of it. So had a nice little rally into February before we started to fall back down here in March, right? We can go back and we can look at the next inauguration day over here, which is back in 2016, which was definitely Trump's first term here. Very, very similar set of scenarios here with when it came to Trump in office, right? So we can actually pull back in on this, and we can see that we had a 34% correction in the market before inauguration day, and then we built back out of it. And this is February right here, okay? So we built back out, and we're in the positives during February. We do take a dip in March. So just realize that in March, we're probably going to take another nasty spill. We have an FOMC. We skip an FOMC meeting here in February, and we skip a meeting here. We skip an FOMC meeting in February, which is what causes these little catalysts here, and then we'll have a fall off here before we build back out. But I mean, that's kind of like what we see here in 2016: major sell off, build back out in February, sell off in March, build back out. That's kind of like the tradition of like how these scenarios work out, right? So let's go back and look at 2021 again. You can see right here again, 2021 is a little bit different, right? We had a let me get rid of this. We had a 31% dip. We had a build out in February. We had a 26% correction in March, and then we built back out of it to the top up here at 64. So that's kind of how that one played out as well. So before we had the bear market, but this was a lot during the pandemic and stuff like that. So we actually double topped in this last time. So that was kind of a unique situation. But here we are again, right? I mean, very, very similar scenario. Inauguration day comes in on the 20th. Let's actually agree. Let's put a line here, a vertical line on the 20th of March or January. Sorry, boom. Let's make that green. So there's the inauguration, And now you can see that we had a pretty good sell-off again, which was roughly about where are we at here? Which was roughly about, let's pull the marker. That one's about a 14% correction. So, again, actually a little bit higher than that. It's actually a 16% correction in the market right there. So there you go. We're at a 16%. So now the goal is to build back out of this to where we come back out and we build up. So that's kind of where it's at. And we didn't have that big of a spill as far as this sellout was. It could actually be deeper, right? It was 30% last time, 28% the time before, and now we're at 16. So, this is actually not that bad of a dip. Different times, bigger market cap, which means that's still a pretty big fall. 16% is a huge fallout for a $2 trillion market cap in terms of what Bitcoin is. So, yeah, well, now we're going to build back out of this, hopefully, and then this will be sort of where we're at in February. We come back up here into these areas before we have another sell-off in March and continue to build up. So that's kind of where I put it right now, guys. Mario, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I almost sold my bag. I've been holding since 2011, but you popped in my head and said, don't sell. Oh, Mario, I appreciate that. I'm glad you didn't, dude. I'm glad you didn't. And that's fantastic that you're now ahead. Thanks. I did not sell and scraped up small amounts to buy. Hell yeah, Thomas. I love it. I love hearing that, guys. I'm so happy for you guys. You don't even know. I did the same thing, right? I did the same thing yesterday. I was at a loss. I actually bought, thinking that I was right on, right? I bought at 225. I bought at 245 on XRP. When it's like, hell yeah, I got the dip. I'm going to wait for this to bounce back on a nice little swing trade. And then the thing kept selling. And I was like, oh, shoot, dude. And then what did I do? I had to buy at, I had to buy at 225. I had to, again, my 225 buy. And then it kept going down. I had to put a $2 order in and put a $2 order and hit there again. So like even myself, who has been doing this, you have to kind of account for that and keep buying and buying and buying until you finally find a floor to bounce back up. And so even in my swing trade right there, you get caught a little bit, right? So it happens, dude. And if anyone out there is telling you that they hit everything perfectly, they're lying, dude. There's no way. There's no way. I don't have any money on them. Coinbase wouldn't let me deposit money yesterday. That's crazy to me. At times, Coinbase wouldn't let you get lower on your book. Hey, that's so wild that you got to be careful with exchanges, man. Those are crazy. Crow will reject my buys when something moves quickly. Yeah, they do a lot of that. Ondo looks great. Good. It wasn't a bluff. Mexico agreed to a lot. Yeah, they did. They sent troops up, XCN's ripping. Trump just signed an executive order to create a sovereign wealth fund. Yeah, I don't know what that is. A sovereign wealth fund. I saw that too. I don't know what that means exactly. I have to look into that. Alex, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Thanks. You made a nice little bag this AM. Hell yeah, dude. I love it, Alex. I love it. I love hearing people winning right now. Weak hands, please leave the chat. No. Hello, what's up, Elon? XLM, the little sister. Yeah, it is the little sister right now. I just bought another 100 of XRP. I had to wait for money. Oh, okay, Zach. Hey, man, these are still good opportunities right now, especially if you zoom out and think what I just showed you about where we're going to go here in February and into March. I think we have a nice little chance to still get up to this 385 to this 450 marker somewhere in there here in February before we have a little sell-off again. Hopefully that sell-off brings us back down just a little bit into like the 3 range again, and then we can maybe tear back up again for the rest of the bull market. Austin's a lifesaver. Thank you, man. H-bar is a sale right now, dude. Yeah, I made a lot of money off that. Austin, for the downside of XRP, what are we looking at? Looking at for another buy-in? I think right now, this might have been the downside. We could still have some corrections into the 450. I mean, we haven't really settled down right here, so it's really hard to say because this has been such a volatile situation right here. We haven't actually found like a level yet to build off of. So, I mean, technically, you're in these buys. I mean, you can set orders in for 245 again. You can set an order in for 225 again. I mean, we're still in this area of it's undetermined. It hasn't actually found a level yet. It's too early, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And so, again, only invest what you're willing to lose, and and be aggressive on your buys. Put one in at 225 again, and see if it comes back down, hits there, then you're good to go. You know what I mean? Or put one here at 245 if you feel. But I think things are looking a little positive. I want to actually go up and start trading sideways here again, right? That's when we really know that we're actually going to do well. We're going to have a breakout. Is if we start trading sideways versus these ups and downs, right? I mean, we want to basically come up, come down, start trading some sideways. In between. It'd be nice if we did anywhere from like 286 to 254, right in between these zones, which again, that's like the best case scenario. But that's what you want. So that's what we have to watch out for. Billion Right, thanks so much for the $2, dude. All the haters yesterday was wild. Yeah, it was crazy. Even in my chat, I didn't realize how many people were hating in the chat. I was like, gosh, dang, people were really upset today. Yeah, I would agree. If the US is now an oligarchy, would XRP and HBAR be the best investment? Probably, if that's what you want to look at it like. Yeah, I'm gonna stream that tomorrow. Yeah, Cam, I'll be streaming that tomorrow for sure. My treasurer won't show the charts from last days. Oh, really? That's kind of weird. Please subscribe. Almost to 87K, dude. That's wild. 87K. Never thought that day would come. Appreciate you guys. Trent, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I let myself down and sold my 2.25 position at 2.84 yesterday with it crashing, then put 100% of it back at 196. What do you mean you let yourself down, dude? That's fantastic, dude. You did a good job right there. I mean, you sold your 225 position at 284, and then you put it in at 196. I mean, you made out killer right there, bro. Thank you so much for the $5 too, Trent. That's killer. Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Seiko gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Seiko, and appreciate each and every one of those coming on to the A team. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you very much. So after this dip, where do you see XRP in your predictions? I think that we're going to continue to build out of it. I think we're going to continue to build out of it. Is your opinion up? Is your guys' opinion with convert 10% of Solana to coin? I don't know, Slacknor. I don't know. I don't understand what you're saying. We deserve something big for yesterday's loss. Yeah, right now we're bouncing back. I mean, you know what I mean? You have a good things here right here. Charles Hawk, I saw this morning that talks about RLSG plan and Ripple's advice to wait until March. So it looks like they're going to wait until March for these to start being used on some of the blockchains out there, which would be really, really cool to see. Kind of excited about that. It says what the Bollinger Bands say about XRP. So some of these actually hit yesterday. It says with XRP in the upper band on the weekly chart and the need for deflate this type of bubble, the possibility of the token's price revisiting 169 is more likely than not. Few predict that this would happen overnight, but here we are. So some people are thinking that it could still go back down to 169 based off of what we're seeing here. However, they do agree that the bleeding looks like it's slowed down. It says one of the most popular coins, XRP, saw a 31% drop in the days, down to 176 per Bitstamp. I mean, that's pretty crazy. It says it cannot be ruled out that XRP could retest lows again this week. It's not about XRP or Bollinger Band, just pure market mechanics. When the price tends to revisit extremes, test buyers and sellers. Yeah. So that's kind of where we're at. I mean, you have to account for there to always be a potential sell-off in these markets. So, yeah, it's definitely kind of crazy when you think about it. Let's see here. What the hell is going on in the market? Going crazy? Yeah, the market went nuts, dude. But I mean, it's starting to bounce back right now. I'm kind of happy with the markets coming back. I feel a little bit reprieved now. Like I feel that there's a little bit less pressure from yesterday. I was feeling it with you guys too. Don't get me wrong. I was like, man, dude, this thing is not giving up. This thing is not letting us down, or not letting up. So yeah, there's that as well. So nothing really happened. Up again. Yeah. I mean, yeah, we're up right now. What's your average? For which one? For which price? There's a lot. We did a lot of things yesterday, dude. We did a lot of things. LCX bounced back like a mad. Yeah, a lot of things did, dude. A lot of things did. So I'm going to try to catch up to the chat here. Michael, thanks so much for the $10 donation to the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Austin, I put 20% of my portfolio worth of fresh money into XRP HBAR. Unfortunately, I had more to put. Yeah. Hey, at least you got in there, right? I mean, at least you got some of the dip. At least you got some of it, dude. Yeah, Jim, the whole agreement with Mexico, I think, is really good for both countries. Both America and Mexico, I think it's good for both. Last night was crazy, Mike. I wanted to pull 10K out of my savings on XRP, but ended up talking myself out of it. Ended up with 500 more HBAR, kicking myself now. It's okay, man. At the time, hindsight 2020, it's kind of hard looking. It's easy to look back and be a Monday armchair quarterback. But in those times of those pressure, those pressure times, you don't know what's going to happen. So I think you did the right thing, dude. Do stick to your instincts. And yeah, you didn't obviously do that, but I mean, you still made out on it. Let's talk ETH, Austin. When we know the market has been manipulated, we know Trump is buying ETH and ETH wrapped coins. We all hate ETH. ETH is very slow. All this points to a huge ETH jump. Yeah, I think ETH is going to eventually hit all-time highs. I think ETH is I think they're trying to do I would be nice if they went back to proof of work and made it mineable again. I think they should do that. Just say screw it. I got in the crypto during the bear market. Austin helped me through it. Now dipped 30K last night and didn't sell anything. Damn, William. Did you buy the dip, William? Your birthday's in March? All right, nice. Now the situation is dangerous. No one knows whether it will go up or down. It is kind of dangerous, I think you got to practice, patience with this. Set your if you are in a swing trade, I mean, I think you should set a stop loss. I mean, we're in the profits right now. You should set a stop loss somewhere. I think that's super important to do. The haters' ass got smoked. Martin, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I think I saw 5.4K people viewers yesterday. Yeah, I think I topped out at it was like 5.4, somewhere in that. But it was crazy how many viewers I had yesterday. I was pretty impressed with it, and they stuck around for quite a while. I think I streamed for almost like an hour and a half with over 5,000 viewers, live time viewers, which was really, really cool. And I just appreciate everyone, coming in and kicking it with me during those times. So yeah, it was kind of crazy. 5.7. Okay, it was 5.7. That's crazy. I just turned in and had no idea YouTube allowed gifts. Now I'm excited. That's awesome, Bridge. Good day, Nathaniel. What's up, man? I'm fairly new to your channel, Austin, but have been an XRP since 2017. I love your honesty and tell us whether we like it or not. How it's whether. Okay, yeah, Tom, no problem. I'm glad that you got in 2018. That's you got in at a really good time then, dude. I sold a few hundred XRP at 311, but then screwed it all by buying the dips too early and missing the bottom. It's okay, Sam. It's a good learning experience, bro. It really is a good learning experience. A really good learning experience. Yeah, but I'm excited for tomorrow. This will be really cool to see for tomorrow. I will admit this. I'm kind of excited to see how the markets will react to something like this. So that's really cool. Liquidations are coming down again. I just saw this. We're starting to see a less liquidation. Now it's down to 2.03 billion. So less liquidations are coming. Starting to see a little bit more of the shorts getting wrecked now versus the longs. So we're starting to see a lot more people on the other side get wrecked. Look at that. 459 million wrecks right here on the shorts. Are getting wrecked here in 24 hours. This will flip right now. 1.57 billion in longs. That's insane, dude. In 24 hours, 1.57 in longs. But the 12 hours showing we're pretty even across the board here on longs and shorts. So this will help build up the market. I'm kind of finally comfortable with leverage trading, and I had the best day ever yesterday trading with shorts. Okay, bro, that's good, dude. Talk about March 25th. What's March 25th? I got to think what March 25th is. 297, a bad position? No, I don't think it's a bad position at all. I think that, yeah, Austin Dubs, I mean, it's going to come back. Can you tell me how to put my Pure in my MetaMask? I both 8,000. What do you mean, Lewis? What do you mean? Did you buy? If you bought it, it should be, they're going to airdrop the tokens to you. When they launch, they'll airdrop tokens to you on the Pure wallet, dude. So yeah, when the Pure wallet pre-sale comes, then it will get airdropped to you. So if you bought in on the Pure wallet pre-sale, which is still going on, right here, if you bought in on the pre-sale, this is still going. I don't know exactly why it's paused, but eventually you can still buy. I don't know what the price is going to be, but you can still buy, I think. And this hasn't launched yet. They'll announce the launch of it. So yeah, just be cautious with that. They're going to come out and airdrop it to you guys. So will you let us know when you think the good time in March to start selling parts of your bag? March, yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. When March, yeah, I'll definitely let you guys know. They haven't made an announcement on launching. I would assume that they're going to continue the pre-sale, to allow more people an opportunity to get in. I panic sold at the 177 dip. It went from 177 to 240 in almost 45 seconds. It was insane. Luckily, I bought at 212. Dang, bro. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Michaela, what's up? I think we'll pump more today when the Asian markets wake up around 3 p.m. Yeah, very well could. I would agree. I'd agree with that. A-Team strong. Appreciate you, Seiko. I listened to your last two YouTube posts. I bought in. I recommend at 225. I wish I was paying attention and caught it at 200, but I'm not complaining, just observing out loud. Oh, no, you're good, Rob. I thought 225 was the strong one, Rob. I mean, I bought in at 225. I put 10K in at 225. And then at the $2 mark, I put another 2K, and then it bounced back. So, I'm in heavy on those dips, right? But I was pretty confident about the 225, I'll admit. That was a 34% dip, which is the largest dip they had in over 6-7 months. So I was pretty confident that, it's not, I mean, 34% is a pretty strong dip. And, and it proved me wrong, dude. It dipped further than that. So I started subscribing yesterday. Oh, kill Apple. Thanks so much. I'm only down 20K now. Hey, dude, it'll come back. I'm still down too. You know what I mean? I think I've actually touched. I'm not down. I'm not down. I'm actually, I think, up now on my swings. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, I'm up from yesterday's swings. You think Canada is going to be sensible? Yeah, I think they will. I think they got to be. They got to be sensible. Doubled my bags of XRP and HBAR last night. Hell yeah, dude. I love hearing that. I like that. A majority of people, I think, are in the same boat of filling this up. Let's go to the 1 hour here. We got about 9 minutes for the next hour to come up, and we're looking like we're building up on this hour, so that's good. That's good on the HBAR right here. Let's go to XRP. The hour chart's a little bit down right there, but we're still building up here. Oh, man. I commented twice because of typo. Oh, no problem, Sam. Selmo. Appreciate you, Selmo. Picture yourself in an arena speaking before 5,000 people. If that day comes, that'd be cool. I don't know what I would speak about, but if it ever came, I'd be down. I'm only 31K now. My stress levels were bad yesterday. Yeah, I'm glad that you're not as stressed out as you were. Just came from a YouTube live where the dude was going off about Trump being an idiot with the tariffs. Must have been butthurt and didn't make good decisions. Yeah, got to keep politics aside. There's nothing we can say or do to change what the politics are going to do, right? In all reality, you can't change what's happening. You just got to move forward and make it, do what's best for us. And that's what we did yesterday. We bought where we needed to buy, and now we're in the positives. Oscar Roman channel yesterday, and we bought the dip was going to stop at 220, so we bought in. Okay, yeah, it's kind of happens. You know what I mean? You kind of wait. Is Pure Wallet a good wallet to get? They're releasing it on mainnet today. Hopefully, it gets released on mainnet today. The Pure Wallet. So, it's a fairly new wallet. There's still some updates that need to happen. But yeah, I think overall, what it's trying to do in this space is pretty badass. Being a cold storage offline and a hot wallet all in one. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Josh, you must be talking. Just stick with Austin. He keeps it 100%. I appreciate you, XRP man. Don Glass, thanks so much for being a member for 1 month, dude. Austin, I sold my XRP at 2.8 and bought back in at 216. Dude, hell yeah, dude. That's a good buy, Don. It's a good buy, bro. How do you figure out where to put the stop loss? I do a trailing stop loss, T-Dog, so I trail my profits. So, you could decide where you want to put it. It's up to you. Mark Petro, I appreciate that. Also, number one. I appreciate you, Mark. I was wondering, do you think it could have been a setup planning to David Sachs speech? I don't know, man. That's you got to put that motion into effect like that is pretty crazy. I mean, yeah, I don't know. There's probably so many people talking behind the scenes that we don't even know about. So you should have migrated instead. You got liquidated. That's true. Why are y'all taking profits? People, that's how you should do it. Air sent, you killing me, dude. I'm not even gonna read that one. Taxi Dave, thanks so much for being a member for 1 month, dude. My captain Austin holding the 18 down. I appreciate it. No, you guys are holding the 18 down, dude. Everyone here tuning in, showing out. Yeah. Austin, where do my Pure Wallet tokens show up? When they airdrop them, they'll show up to your wallet when they launch. Brandon Worley, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I've been out of the loop recently. What happened to cause the massive dip? I think just the tariffs. I think right here, a lot of this is what started this whole thing with the tariffs on everything. That's kind of what everyone's sort of pointing to. But I mean, I think this is obviously a tactic of Trump to make them come to the negotiating table and negotiate. I mean, Trump is the he is the negotiator, right? That's what he's known for, is negotiating deals. So I think that this is just a tactic. The tariffs is just a tactic to get them to come to the table and negotiate. And so it looks like that's what Mexico did. They came to the table to negotiate, and they worked out a deal. And now they made an agreement that they'll put a pause on the tariffs. And I think that that's what's going to happen to Canada too. Canada's probably going to come to the table. Trump's probably going to strong arm them using the tariffs as leverage. And that's the art of the deal, right? You go back and look at the art of the deal. You might not like it. You might not like Trump, but I mean, it is an art of the deal, and he's obviously using it to his leverage. He's leveraging it, and it's that's kind of what's happened. So. Yes, Alan. You'll receive it. Whatever wallet you buy the Pure Wallet token pre-sale in, it will come to that wallet. Yeah, thanks for Saken. Prediction on all the South Park predicted all this with Canada. Oh, really? Did they really? That's crazy. Let's get Awesome to 100,000. I appreciate you guys, dude. Get me to 100,000. That would be cool. 100,000 subscribers would be remarkable. I don't even know what I would do. I'd probably cry. I just start crying live on stream. I'm just kidding. No, it'd be cool. That'd be cool. Yeah, we gained a lot, dude. 86,889 subscribers. That's amazing, dude. I never thought that day would come. I'll be honest with you guys. Silly question, but is there a way to buy and sell crypto? A way to set a buy? Yeah, dude. You just go in and set a limit order. Bleep. Just go set a limit order at that price and just let it sit there until canceled. There are no trade wars. Canada and Mexico are tiny economies compared to the U.S. That is true. They are small. They're actually smaller than we thought. Thanks for your channel. One of my go-tos now. Can you explain how to get XRP and HBAR into the Pure Wallet when launched, or do you have to convert to ETH? No, they'll be able to when they accept the token, you'll be able to move it over into there. So just give us some time to get them on mainnet and get everything situated. I wouldn't send anything over to the Pure Wallet until you feel secure doing it. And I'll share a lot with you guys, but yeah, Pure Wallet's a new crypto or a new project that's come out. It's a new wallet that does offline and cold storage. So yeah, just give us some time, but they do accept those things. I think HBAR is not in it yet, but I know Ripple is. Can you post the Pure Wallet again in the room? Oh yeah, I can do that. Here, I'll post a link. I'll pin the link in the chat for anyone that wants to look at it. Again, yeah, it is a pre-sale. This is a new project that's coming out, and it is a wallet, just like anything else. There we go. I just pinned. I'll pin it in the. I'll pin it up there so you can actually take a look at it, guys. Do your own research on it. Obviously look into it. You can. It's still out there to be purchased. I don't know why this paused. I don't honestly. That's up to the team, but I think it's still being able to be bought right now. So. At least I think it is. I haven't messed around with it. So, yeah. Can you play? Yeah. So there you go. Please, a little more info about you guys. We can go into a little bit more info about the pre-sale if you guys like. Are the NFL economies there are JV high school? Joe, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I panic sold because I invested what I couldn't lose. Lesson learned, but I left 7K profit to build on. So I'm watching you close. All right, Joe. Yeah, that's pretty. I mean, I'm glad that you're still sitting here with 7K profits. So that's a positive, right? 100% profits. Oh, it's pretty slim. All right, yeah, it's pretty slim. So what happened was, Craig, with the Pure Wallet is that they had to get approved on Apple and on iOS, and they couldn't make changes to it. If they made changes to it, they would kick them back a couple months because you have to get it through the process first. And now the updates are going to be coming through. So here in the next couple of weeks, we're going to have some pretty good updates coming to the wallet. So, which wallet do you recommend to get? I mean, if it's cold storage, I use Ledger, and if it's hot wallet right now, I use. If it's hot wallet, I use SafePal. SafePal is my go-to, and MetaMask. Pure Wallet is a Pure Wallet token. It's a pre-sale. It's out right now. And you can see right now there is a token for sale. It is part of the wallet here, and it is the first ISO offline blockchain wallet. So this is a offline wallet. It has cold storage on your phone along with everything else. So that's what everyone's talking about in the chat right now. Explain the stop loss. You just put it in there, and it'll sell when you put the stop loss in. I just looked in my swing trade bag is the same. Rory, thanks so much for the $5, dude. How do you have multiple swing bags? Do you use multiple wallets, or am I missing something? Yeah, no, I just use it on exchanges. So no, I just whatever I put in my exchange is what I use. So it's not multiple wallet. I have like a long term bag, like when I say like with my ledger right here. Obviously I got my ledger, right here, and I put my long term stuff in there. Again, I haven't logged back into that since like November, and then I got my swing trade bags, which I use on the exchanges. Not sure which makes me more nervous, this last 24 hours or my girlfriend's pregnancy test. Oh my God, Def Joe. Well, she's pregnant. Congrats to you. Timsky, thanks so much for being an 11-month member, dude. Canadians talking tough, but we have an election. That is true. You do have an election. I listened to the potential new prime minister. He seems pretty based. Austin, thank you for never doing a soy whoa on your thumbnails. Doing the O face, I try really hard not to do that. I told my friends and family to subscribe to Austin. Oh, Rebecca, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'm hoping that the Pure Wall goes to mainnet today, dude. Today would be nice for it to go to mainnet. Yeah. Hopefully skyrockets. Yeah, right now the Pure Wallet tokens are cheaper, right? I mean, it's going to go up in price probably, most likely. Above average Brett, dude, thanks so much for the $5. It's not mentioned XRP was omitted from Hong Kong's list of approved regulations. I would bet China was a lot to do with the sell pressure. I did see that there was I did see that there was some sell pressure coming from there. So I would agree with you on that. That could have played factor into this too. Also, again, I think that I was trying to look through. I think that XRP I think they might have sold some too for some profits as well, which kind of maybe, I don't hold me to that, but I was trying to look through their escrow wallets and saw that some of it was missing. So I don't know. I'd have to verify it, but again, but we already expected they'll sell about 20%, and so hopefully they did sell that 20%, and we're going to build back now. So yeah, thanks so much for the $5. XCN's ripping. Is it ripping pretty good right now? That's awesome. Yeah, up 24%. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just glad Pure Wallet made it easy to buy. Most coins you have to do some other shit. I know. You just got to disconnect your wallet, use some ETH, and buy it. Yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Yeah, I got in pretty big yesterday before the tokens went up in price. They're going to go up in price most likely. So I got into it before that even happened. Looking forward to trying Pure Wallet and the offline mode. Dude, me too. The offline mode is going to be sick, dude. That's the sick thing. You'll be able to transfer it from one wallet to the other, which I think will be pretty badass. Zakaria, thanks so much for the $2. I think I said that right. Zakara, thank you so much for the $2 donation to the channel. I really, really appreciate that. Carrie Ann, thank you so much for the $20, dude. Wow, dude. Thanks for last night's stream for the A-Team, Austin. Patience prevailed. Dude, thank you so much for the $20 donation and the kind words. And I think a lot of people here definitely did prevail. We're all looking back going, thank God we bought the dips. Thank God we, practiced it, and it came to, we put all of our skills together, and it came out. So I'm super, super happy about that. Yeah. And thank you so much again, Carrie, for the $20 donation. What's the difference between hot and cold? Well, one is on a software wallet, so it's connected to the internet. The other one is cold, meaning that it's disconnected. Like this right here, this ledger is disconnected. So it's just a key that protects the blockchain from being accessed by anyone, so they can't get your stuff hacked. Yes, more on the pre-sale. Okay. Why do influencers do? Oh, F Joe, you killing me, bro. Oh, you killing me, dude. But yeah, so the Pure Wallet, just to let everyone know, so the Pure Wallet, this is going to be an online, offline, and hot wallet all in one. So what that means is that you can actually you can have a cold storage on your phone, and it'll be the first cold storage on your phone because there'll be an offline setting. And then on top of that, you'll have an offline transaction. So what that means is you can send crypto in an offline setting. So you can send the only offline crypto wallet without the internet. So you can actually send your money across the blockchain. This has the blockchain built into it, that you'll be able to send it across the blockchain in an offline setting, and the other person on the other side will actually get it. The best part about offline transactions is you can't track these. These are, again, like I put out a tweet yesterday saying that like with Tornado Cash, you gotta actually send it across. It goes through a scrambler. This one, it takes it off the blockchain, sends it across, and it can't be tracked, which is badass. So I think it's like, and again, you can only use Tornado Cash for Ethereum, where here you could use Bitcoin, Ripple, XRP, Ethereum, whatever token that they have, you'll be able to move it across the blockchain. So I think that's badass. Like that's the coolest part, and you pay 0 gas fees. That's the biggest thing here too, is that you don't pay any gas fees for this. It's super efficient. You can see right here offline wallet, no gas fees, cold storage without hardware, and it's really fast. And we eventually, when this gets up on mainnet, I'll show it live on stream on how fast this transaction actually is. It's pretty cool. The token that's on presale right now, this is what it's going to give you. And so again, if you are a decentralized person like myself, these are the kind of things that you actually dig. Like I like the governance participation. I like that there's going to be smart money included with the pure coin that's going to get launched, because as you guys know, their pure chain is going to be coming out hopefully here in Q4. So this will allow you to have access to that as well, plus the reductions of fees and other series that are going to be coming in here, because there is other things that are going to be different series that are going to be added to the pure series here that you'll have access to. So a lot of cool opportunities, and that's why I'm going to own the token to actually be a part of that. So that's going to run the wallet here. And if you want to, I said the website's linked and pinned above if you want to jump in on the pre-sale here and be able to do whatever you want to do. Right now, it looks like it's still connected at 431. I don't know why it's skipped right here or why it's not working, but yeah, I think you could still buy. So yeah, kind of cool. Kind of cool if you like that. If you like that kind of stuff, right? Not everyone likes that kind of stuff, so it's really up to you. Sooner, thanks so much for the $5, dude. You catch the Hedera news this morning about the Australian stablecoin posted on Hedera's X page? I did not catch that news today. Let's go take a look at it though. Hedera. Upcoming trends of the Web3, the real solution. Okay, that's consensus. Is this what you're talking about right here? An evening of insight, networking, and innovation. We'll be exploring real-world use cases and groundbreaking projects built on the Hedera that are shaping the future. Yeah, February 20th. That's pretty cool. Tasmanian Ballroom. What the hell is that at? It's in Hong Kong. Gosh, dang. Is that what you're talking about? Thanks so much for the $5, dude. Appreciate that. Zakar, thanks so much for the $20, dude. Hi, Austin. I feel like I'm not managing my trades correctly. Do you guys sell profits amounts and keep all on the side? I don't take it, but it goes down. Like I'm always in the same place. So there's a big difference, Zakaria, from being like holding a long-term bag and holding and doing swing trades. So like for me, new to crypto, you should just be buying and holding and accumulating as much as you possibly can for this next rally. And then everything else in between there, it is what it is, right? I think you should just put it to the side, keep building. Like we've all built ours during the bear market. We built a big wallet during the bear market for all these projects, and they're all sitting basically on here, right? My life savings is sitting right on this little thing right here. And then I have a day trade where I just do swing trades and things like that on the side, and I don't even touch my long-term bag. I just let this thing rock and roll, dude. I don't care where it goes up and down. It did suck opening up my ledger live yesterday and seeing thousands of dollars going down. It does suck seeing that, but when you zoom out and look back, it is we're looking at the long-term scheme. So I think that it's a matter of how you're looking at your trades, to be honest with you. I don't know if you're doing a long term or if you're just doing short terms. Like I don't know where you're at, but I would try to advise, I try to say like really focus on building, not necessarily on day trading if you're new to crypto. So thanks so much for the donation too. Bill, thanks so much, Billy, for the becoming a new member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. I think $2 is realistic. Oh, here in February. Yeah, I mean, I think that we get above like 50, like back into the 60-cent mark would be awesome. So when you sell crypto, does that mean is that the best way to do that? Move to a stable coin first? I move straight to cash, dude. I don't even mess around with stable coins. They cost too much and they're not even that great. So yeah, way too much. Pure Wallet is going to kick ass. I'm into the storage, but this is cool. Yeah. Not into the storage, but this is still cool. It is cool. I think there's a lot to it, especially if you're new to crypto and you like that kind of stuff. It's really up to you, right? Everyone has their own feeling for it. Are you going to be able to off ramp with Pure Wallet? In other countries, you can. Other countries, you can just transact is what's built into the wallet. And so other countries, like I think Australia allows you to off ramp into your bank account from the wallet. The United States, you can't off ramp. You have to actually go through a centralized exchange and then into your bank account. But other countries do allow you to off ramp from a non-custodial wallet in there. So yeah, it does allow that. Chris P, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, dude. What's happening this week with XRP? I don't know. Tomorrow's a big day. I'm excited for tomorrow. This will be really, really cool to see. So yeah. Quick update. He's still What's my address? What do you mean after what's my address? What cold wallet do you use? I use a Ledger right now. Nick, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Austin, I hold XRP, HBAR, XLM, XTN. Good for add/remove or add/remove. I think those are all great, dude. I think you should keep holding and watch these things accumulate and get bigger and bigger and bigger. So kudos to you, man. And thanks so much for the donation. Is there a risk if the ledger goes wrong, you could lose your bag? Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's the thing is that if like Ledger goes out of business, I mean, you still have the keys to here, but you still got to use your ledger, right? You still got to use the interface. So like there's still a risk. Like if you really look at it, there's still a risk that you could lose your crypto. Like let's just say the ledger goes out of business tomorrow. Ledger Live goes down. You have no more interface, right? You can't access the you can't access because again, you got to have your ledger as a key for it, right? You can't access it unless you have ledger. So there is still a risk involved with that, right? Ledger could literally go fall out of the sky tomorrow, and everyone's money that's stuck on these ledgers are lost because ledger's interface no longer works. Like that is still a potential. That's why, again, what's nice about decentralization is that when you have seed phrases and you can get into your wallets and stuff like that, you can actually move more money over to other wallets and things like that are interfaces. With Ledger, you can't do that. There is risk involved. Don't get me wrong. Like there is still risk involved. Ledger does sell us something to protect our keys, but there still is risk involved with holding Ledger. Like I said, I mean, they've been around for a long time. They're trustworthy, all that kind of stuff. But think about it. If they go out of business, Tangem could do the same thing. Tangem could go out of business and everyone's Tangem could be worthless. And then next thing you know, like you can only access your interface using Tangem. But if there's no interface to interact with, how are you going to get your tokens off there? You get what I'm saying? Like so there is some risk involved with that. You tried to get the Pure Wallet. I tried to get the Pure Wallet and it says service. Are you downloading the Pure Wallet, Tyrone? Are you downloading it? Hedera was posted 4 to 5 hours, or were you trying to buy the pre-sale? Hedera posted news 4 or 5 hours ago. Scroll more. Oh, okay. I'll scroll some more here. Let me go back. Let's see here. Oh, right here. Web3, web kind of, okay. Is that the one right here? The Web3 CFO connecting consensus in Hong Kong? Oh, Hedera is proud to further drive the digitized payments with a. Okay, nice, dude. Nice. Strategic review of the business. That's good, dude. So they're going to continue to build with Australian stablecoin AUDD on Hedera network Q3. That's badass. Testing Ripple, enable ODL for cross-border transactions. That's awesome. XDC network with AED. So they're actually doing some pretty good things here. Good job, dude. That's good to see. Nero protocol is lagging. Ghost, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, and welcome, my friend. I mean, I like the Uniswap. I like Jupiter. I like Radium's been pretty good for Solana. Sushi Swap. There's a lot of them out there. Yeah, what happens if Ledger breaks down, right? I mean, there's so many questions that you can have, right? So you can sit there and say, well, one's better than the other, but if they go out of if they go down as a company, what do you do? Do you do consultation? How do you contact you private? I do not do consultations. You can hit me. You can come over to the Discord. I talk in Discord with a lot of people. So that's probably about as far as I go. Zakarian, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Appreciate that. It talks about this on their website. Yeah. Jason Bourne, you killing me, bro. There's no risk. No, I'm just saying in general, like there's always risk involved. It doesn't matter how you look at it. There's always risk involved. Sammy, what cold wallet is best to use? I like Ledger. Ledger is the best one. So when Ledger goes out, can we still get our bags? I mean, that's kind of the question right now. What's up, Mario? Thanks so much for the $5 donation too. It's something to look at big time, right? They talk about it, but you have the private key and the phrase. You can put it on a hot wallet. If you have a private key, but if it's on the Ledger, I actually tell you the truth, I haven't actually done it, dude. I could probably take my seed phrase and see if it actually works. See if I can download it onto MetaMask. If it goes out, if it's still behind the key though, I actually never done it. I should probably not say it because I've never actually taken my Ledger and tried to put it on like MetaMask. But yeah, I guess if you do have your private key, you should be good. If it allows you to do that. BBC, thanks. What would you get rid of? How would you keep or get rid of Cardano? Yeah, it's really up to you, man. I don't know. I mean, it depends on where you bought it. I think it's a big one. Thanks so much for being a member of 1 month. Yeah, it depends on how much you got it. I'd have to mess around. I'll probably mess around with that. I don't know if I actually want to put my seed phrase on MetaMask though from my ledger. Hunter, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Like the live stream. Appreciate you, man. I think that's false info, Austin. I'd have to mess around with it. Both pure wallet token today, but I don't know where I see my tokens. They'll have to airdrop it to you, Ghost. Yeah, they'll airdrop it to you when they launch. That's what I heard. You just need the key. Okay, just download the key. I haven't done it. Never done it. I just think about it like, dude, if it's stuck on Ledger, how would I get to it? I've never messed around with that, and because I'm not going to put my key, I'm not going to put my private key on a MetaMask. There's too much, it's too much at stake to just drop a private key on a MetaMask. If you were able to put it in MetaMask, then it's not a cold storage anymore. That's correct. It would be hot at that point. Yeah. So as soon as you move it to a MetaMask or to it's no longer behind. It's no longer protected behind the key here for Ledger. Because all this is really just protecting your key, right? It's just protecting your key. That's what this device does. And it's still on the blockchain. It's still there for you and everything like that. It's just the lock. Yeah, it's not the ledger. Yeah, so this is just protecting your key for the blockchain. Ledger Nano S or I have the X, dude. That's what I have. Crypto is the blockchain. Crypto is on the blockchain protected. Only if they, it's only protected if they don't have access to it. Crypto is the blockchain. When Trump coin up, I don't know. I want to see the ETF. I do too. Crypto regulation will change security and cover losses. It would. It will. 100%. The S and the X. I think it's. Dude, I don't know the difference between the S. I've only had the X for a long time. You'd have to look it up. I don't know the difference between the two. Probably one's I don't know. Probably cheaper. Keep permissions removed on swap sites. Yeah, definitely. Mother Nature's crying. Some coins are dirty. Yeah, you got to be careful with some of these. Good to see that we're building back out of here for H bar. H bar is coming back up right now. 26, almost 27 now. Hell yeah, that's nice to see. XRP is moving its way back up too. XRP back into 270 right now. This is looking good, guys. This is nice. I like this. I like that we're moving back up. Oh, it doesn't have Bluetooth. I think that you're right. That's the only one. XRP is ripping 270. Austin, what's a good buy point now for XRP? I mean, we're in a buy zone right now for XRP. This is technically still a buy. I mean, we've been in a buy zone this entire dip. So, again, as soon as you get up here to the $3 range, you're back in technically sell zone. So, I mean, you're in a buy zone all the way up until about right around at this point about $3.07. Everything's back up. Yeah, we're starting to climb back up right now. Things are looking good. Thanks so much for the donation. Got any thoughts on Omni or I have no idea what those are, bro. Tobias, I have no idea what those are. Thanks so much for the donation, but I don't know if those are like meme coins or what they are, dude. Once Pure Wallet is live, would you consider moving your assets from Ledger to Pure Wallet for a cold storage or keep them diversified on different cold storage? I'd probably diversify for sure, dude. I'd probably 100% diversify. I think it's important that you diversify, and I think it's important that you mess around with it, see if it works for you, right? Some things that work for you, but yeah, I think it's important that you diversify your wallets and things like that too. Even though mine's all on the ledger right here, but yeah, I think diversification's good. You shouldn't have it all on one. Trump creating a sovereign wealth fund. Yeah, I got to figure out what the hell that is. Sovereign wealth fund. Coinbase XRP at 272. Yeah, we're starting to climb up right now. We're seeing it climb right now. Let me go back and see if that's right. 100K subs in no time, bro. I appreciate you, man. Are we gonna have a pullback, or we're just gonna fly up to 589? I hope we just fly up to 589. There'll probably be some hiccups on the way, right? We can't just continue to climb. I think there'll be definitely some ups and downs. What's good, D5? Good to see you, buddy. What happened to Pure Wallet tokens? They can I still buy it on Pure? Yeah, you can still. I think you can still jump in here. Yeah, now it's back up right now. So 452. So it went up to 452 for the price. So it went from 431 to 452. So now the tokens are 452 for 2 days. So yeah, it got reset 452. So yeah, these tokens are still available. How do you take profits if your coin's in a storage? You gotta get access to your storage, dude. Yeah, it was a nice little rebound today for sure. We're starting to see Hedera come back up above the 27. Oops, the almost to the 27 right here. It's nice. Nice little bounce back there. Look at AKT. I don't even know what that is. Move to coinable from your wallet. I don't even know what that is, Toby. Coinable? I never heard of that. No way to buy ETH for a Pure Wallet. Yeah, you gotta swap ETH to like a MetaMask or SafePal, and then go connect your wallet and buy it on there. So this is the rebound we needed, man. Yeah, this rebound was definitely needed, dude. 100%. Yeah, exactly. Cold storage is that's where you secure your long-term holds. Yeah, 100%. Oh, you meant Coinbase? I was like, I don't know. All right. Move to Coinbase from your wallet. Yeah, you could do that. And vice versa, right? Yeah, move from Coinbase to your wallet or your wallet to Coinbase, 100%. This shake makes me poor at 180, dude. That's good. All the altcoins will run on XRP. That'd be pretty cool, yeah. No, it's just they're not on mainnet yet, Craw. Billy's. It's not on a mainnet yet. So are you in Europe? I know that right now they're working on to get it in Europe. So yeah. But once it hits mainnet, you should be good to go. And I'm hoping today it hits mainnet. Drive in to work now. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, again, when it first launched, it was at 4 cents, right? Pure Wallet token was at 4 cents. Now it's at 4 cents 52. So yeah, technically you're already up on it. So which wallet can I store XRP? There's a lot of places you can store XRP. Which wallet can I store? Yeah, you can store them on. Your overall knowledge on crypto is impressive. Oh, Toby, I appreciate that. As much as I hate Robinhood, it's just easy to use. It is easy to use, 100%. Do I use the hot wallet in between the exchanges and the cold? No, I'll just send straight to my cold wallet. I mean, I do have hot wallets, like, you can see right here. I do have like, my MetaMask wallet right here. So I do have like this wallet right here, that I use, right, for a lot of things. And then I also have, that I put money in. I have multiple hot wallets, and then I move most of my stuff straight from Coinbase to the cold storage. But I have moved from a hot wallet to a cold storage too. Just downloaded it. Yeah, don't send any money to the Pure Wallet. It's still on testnet. You know what I mean? So if you do send money, it probably won't show up until mainnet gets hit. So smart people in here. I appreciate that, DCAM. New to crypto, what's the best wallet to use? I mean, hot wallet, I really like MetaMask or Coinbase. Or I'm not Coinbase. I do not like Coinbase wallet. I like MetaMask or SafePal. Yeah, XRP is ripping right now, 272. We're starting to see a nice little run now. Walking into work today, car's broken down and spent all the money on XRP. All right, Dangerous Dave. Oh man, Kendrick Lamar won 5 Grammys for Not Like Us. If Drake was a stock, that shit. They not like us. Yeah, that's good. That definitely tore up the charts. You want to wrestle? Yeah. 280 in the making, dude. 280. We get back to 280, dude. Oh my gosh. Talk about a flip. Yeah, it's pretty easy to do. 100%. Just make sure you're transferring to the right. You're sending Ethereum to Ethereum and XRP to XRP. On TV last night, I saw you listed it below in your YouTube. Oh yeah, it's Marlene. I put it in my description box, and I also pinned it above in the chat section right there, so you can click on that. It'll take you to the website right here, and then you just got to connect your wallet, which will be one of these wallets in here. It's got to be either MetaMask, SafePal, or you could use Trust Wallet, any wallet really. You can find any wallet, Coinbase wallet. and then you can go and you can buy it. You have to have Ethereum to do so. So yeah, you can do that. You can do it that way. My average cost on XRP is 281. Since it hit that price, do you think I should sell? That's up to you, man. You got to decide whether you want to hold long term or sell. You know what I mean? I always found that the term dumb money harsh when referring to retail, but honestly, with last night's 4 billion liquidation, I actually agreed dumbest got cooked. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, you know, it was just yesterday was crazy manipulation of the markets. Austin, remember the hate we're getting last night? We're all the haters now sitting on the sidelines. I know, Dimitri. It was crazy how many people were coming in hot. They're all hot and angry, and I'm like, dude, just relax, have some patience, man. Things will come back. And the one guy was saying he was mad that he lost all this money. I'm like, dude, who told you to sell? So you think Ledger is the best cold wallet? I mean, it's the one that I use. Yeah, other people like Tangem and stuff like that too. Yeah, I had some issues with Coinbase Wallet because of Topper. Yeah, one thing I don't like about Coinbase is that you move they automatically move your ETH to ETH, base, ETH base, which again is what it is, but it's just kind of crazy. Is there a Trump press conference? I think tomorrow there's going to be a conference. Austin needs to be in Killer Whales. Oh, that you talking about that show? The show Killer Whales? You talking about the show? Is that what you're talking about? Shogun, the Killer Whale show? First rule of crypto: when you lose money, blame Austin. Austin, what trading platform do you use? I am using Robinhood, but sometimes my limits don't hit. Yeah, it's gonna be. I use Coinbase. We break the 618 100K rebound. Hell yeah, dude. Let's actually go look at where it's at. Yeah, dude, we're right up there at the 0.5. On my side, yeah, we've already broke through the 618 on mine. I'm only a couple K away from being back. Not too shabby. Yeah, that's not bad, right? Considering everything, right? Yeah, Ledger can be backdoored. They came out and showed that. There's a lot of people that there was a lot of interfighting, right, with the private key of Ledger. A lot of people feel that. I'm getting that sweet pre-sale pure token. All right, bro. Hi, Austin. Great channel. First day for me on your live stream. What do you think is a good place to take profits on a swing trade bought at XRP at 230? I mean, if you bought it at 230, bro, you're where you at? Yeah, you're making a pretty good profit. I trail it. So, I mean, you're up right now. You're at almost an 18%. So just fine. I like to trail mine so I don't miss out on any pumps. So I probably put like a 2-3%, and right now it being so volatile, I'd probably put like a 5%. So I'd probably, set mine back 230. You're like right here. It's up right here. So I'd probably go back probably like down to like 268. I'd probably set a trailing stop loss. And if I wanted to sell it, right, for a swing trade. And since it's so volatile, it could keep going up or it could come back. And right now it's rallying up right now. So again, I would put a trailing stop loss in there. That's just me. That's how I do it. Going to 330. Dude, if it hits 315 today, holy crap, bro. Esco, I'm with you, dude. It felt like a rug, dude. I've never seen a day chart go that fast. The day chart was literally on XRP. It was just going. I was like, oh my God, dude. Like live on stream, we're watching this thing that's like the whole market just rug out in front of us. I've never seen a day chart move so fast downward in my life. That was the first time I ever seen it move so fast. No, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow. I think the meeting's tomorrow. February 4th. So that's tomorrow. I got to say, a few years back, I would have panic sold. Yeah, it's crazy how you patience pays off, right? A little time in the space pays off tremendously. Yeah, even H-bar is moving up to 271, dude. H-bar is killing it right now. I wish I could go back to $3, the buy average, so I could sell. What are the max amounts on coin each ledger Nano accepts? I think I think they accept it all. It doesn't actually go on to this device. We must be rewarded for holding yesterday. 100%, dude. Hey, Chris, thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel and the super sticker, man. I appreciate that. Does anyone think it will go back down or again to the twos? Dude, it's so hard to say, man. It's so hard to say. It really is. No, it was dropping so fast, dude. I think it's because they have a larger market cap, so they kind of are in a way pegged together. Yeah, you definitely grow. You definitely it's I like those ones where it's like, 2 days ago and it's like showing everyone all happy, and then it's like today you're like, all bloodied up and smoking. I love those little gifs that are out there right now. Those little memes that are out there is so funny to me. Like what it was like 2 days ago to where your portfolio is like today. Austin, yeah. Ooh. Oh, all right. Let's see here. Let's see. Hey Austin, why does XRP chart? Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know why it does to that. Um, let's see here. Oh, okay, damn. 7 to 8 soon. Yeah, it's definitely. I mean, right now we're sitting around 272. 272. This is gonna be nice, dude. It's 273 now. Yeah, we're definitely pumping up right now. It's looking pretty good. Have a great day, team. You too, Big B. You too. This morning my bank account looked like a little. Oh my god, dude. Hey Austin, my largest bag is XLM, and thought it was gonna break out, but I'm wondering what is the most potential for having a breakout. It's gonna come. I think that the XLM usually goes before or after. So yeah, XLM's still a good buy. I think XRP is gonna test around the 287. That'd be nice if it does. That's nice. Yeah. My largest bag is okay. All right. Um, I'm hoping for another big dip. I think a lot of people are wanting the dip to come back down. That's what's going to happen as this continues to rise up here. It's going to come back down even hotter. What's up, Andrew? Good to see you, man. Descent sell wall is at 275. Did we all see ETH? Yeah, ETH was going crazy. ETH is now coming back up right now, slowly but surely coming back up. So, yeah, kind of crazy. Talk about the dip last night. I didn't have any money left. I bought it high. I got you. Yeah, it's kind of happen. It's kind of crazy. It's going to happen. Sovereign Wealth Fund is a state-owned investment fund composed of stocks, bonds, property, precious metals, or other. Will be a great place to store crypto. Gotcha. Okay. Awesome, Austin. On the ETH daily chart, this last dip confirmed a massive wedge. Yeah, this is pretty crazy what it was going to do. I thought it was going to hit 1900. I was like, holy crap. Awesome. What's your prediction on when to sell some XRP for profit taking? I just continue to do, like I said, I kind of just do a trailing stop loss on it. And if my profit hits, it hits. You know what I mean? So again, I try not to sit like a number up here. You can if you want, but I just do trailing stop losses on it. And then, that's kind of how I do it. And then wait for the next dip to come down. But to each our own on that. I like to sell in USD. Yeah, on exchange I sell the USD because I mean you put it to USDC, they charge you fees. Yeah, I just try to do it straight ahead and put in the USD. XRP had 134K new buyers and BTC had 140K new buyers. The fact is outpaced. Well, yeah, because XRP is a lot smaller, so people probably put that into perspective too. So yeah, I was hoping we consolidated for a few days. Yeah, we're coming back hot right now. There's no holding back now. There's zero. I mean, H bar is booming right now, dude. This is crazy. Almost 40% up from my buy at 19.5 yesterday. Holy shit. How do you track all your taxes for swing trades? Cointracker.com. Cointracker.io is how I get an email every day. I think I just got an email today. Let's see. Cointracker. I got an email. Let's see. Cointracker. Yeah. New transactions. 11 new transactions synced to your wallet today. those are all my swing trades. Yeah, so Cointracker tells you everything you need to know. Tells you all your buys, your sells, everything from Coinbase, on Coinbase, traded on Coinbase, everything. It's just so crazy seeing all the 11 new transactions. That was today. I got this yesterday, last night. 11 new transactions. We're sending it. Yes, we are starting to rally now. XRP is up to 275. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Brought XLM on the dip. What's your thoughts, dude? Yeah, I'm with you, bro. It wasn't the one I bought on the dip. I mean, I've been buying. I have XLM, but my focus was H bar and XRP. 275. Let's go, baby. We're cruising now, dude. What's the big news? I think we're just coming back, man. Old cold, Stone Cold Steve Flossin. What's up, Crypto King? We're coming back now. Yeah, we got that FOMO. People already got that little fear of missing out bug coming in. All I care about is we just get back to where we were. Let's keep building up, keep building up, keep building up, and boom, here we go. People are, that FOMO's kicking in. We do not buy on green candles. We bought on red candles. That's what the A team does. We bought yesterday, waiting for this to happen. Is everything on PureWall ETH wrapped? It will be. The PureWall token will probably be wrapped in whatever blockchain they launch on. It'll be wrapped in. So yeah. How much do you need? Can't wait for the PureWall, dude. Yeah, me too, man. How much do you need to swing trade? I usually use like 10K is kind of where I start. Feel bad for people who sold out of loss. Me too, dude. Me too. And that's happens in this space, man. The the inexperience can really bog you down. How do you add a trailing stop in Coinbase? You just go over to where it says stop limit and you put in a stop and a limit. And so when it comes back down, it will hit your stop or your limit. Hey, yo, I'm still sucking on this. Oh my God, Adam. Yeah, Adam's killing it right now, dude. You put your whole 401k in there, bro. I never sold in my life. So like wrap means that you when you're on a blockchain, you wrap it in the whatever the blockchain coin is. So like if I move Ethereum over to XRP, it's going to be wrapped in XRP. So you can move it across the XRP-L. Can you change the stop loss, or do you have to keep making new ones? You have to keep making new ones. You can change. Yeah, you can change them, dude. 100%. You can change them. So if I buy PureWallet on PureWallet, it's wrapped ETH. Does that mean no? Whatever blockchain you're using ETH to make the purchase, but they could launch on any blockchain that's out there. They could launch on Base. They could launch on Solana, whatever they choose. They're just using ETH as the collector right now. You have to go to the advanced side. Yeah, go to the advanced. Definitely go to advanced Coinbase first. Dude, 277. This thing is going, bro. We are going now. We are sending back up to 280. We started this live literally at 262, and we're already up significantly. 277. Yeah, you only lose money if you sell 100%. I did not see that. Ledger S, you recommend. XRP will be how Trump controls the 5th term presidents. I was waiting on dip to get in Chainlink, turned into an instant profit. That's what I'm talking about, dude. My strategy for profit taking and swing trades is just like I said, just buy in the red, try to find these dips and then buy into them, and then so that you can come back and actually sell for a profit, right? And I do a trailing stop loss, so wherever the trailing stop loss falls. I shorted all day yesterday with XRP, and now I'm going long all day. I'll be honest with you, I haven't had this much money in my position in a long time, dude. That's badass, Aircent. I'm with you, bro. That's exciting, dude. My ignorant diamond hands are still down 8.2%. Hey, we're coming back now, dude. I might buy Hedera in the green. Don't judge. 27 is a steal. I still agree that 27 is a steal, dude. These are good buys right here at 27. All right, let's go to the 4 hour here. 4 hours looking good. A lot of people bought on the dips over here at 25 on the other day. So a lot of people are still up over here from the other day when we bought this on the 13th and then rode this all the way through. So yeah, these are some pretty good areas right here. Pretty good areas. I signed up for Coinbase and bought my crypto, but never got the wheel to spin, offering me free BTC. Did it really? That's kind of crazy. They're offering you free BTC. I knew all those whales had a meeting in Japan. Hassan, you're awesome, bro. So grateful for your time and info. Keep up the great work. Oh, Ghost, thanks so much, man. Yeah, 50% up again. That's what I'm talking about. It's pretty wild that even look back at those prices, they still look like steals. I know, right? 315. 315 will be good, yeah. That was a nasty crash. Yes, it was, dude. It was. 225 for a month and XRP bounced like a champ. I know. That 225 was sitting there, right? I didn't think it was actually going to hit. Can you look at short liquidations? Yeah, we can take a look at that real quick, dude. Right here. Let me refresh. Yeah, shorts are getting wrecked right now. 23.5 million shorts in the last hour got wrecked. In the last 4 hours, 57.35 shorts got wrecked. In the last 12 hours, about 162. So we're starting to see a flip right now of shorts getting wrecked now. You can see the charts over here. Wrecks are getting dominated right here. Let's zoom that out a little bit. So, yeah, pretty crazy. Pretty crazy how leverage trading can play factor in this whole thing, right? We're pumping. We are pumping right now. 275. That's good. 277 right here. Continue to ride this up. Let's go back to the hour chart here. That's good. That's what we want to see. Are we going to see 3 today? That'd be killer if we saw 3 today. David Sachs with an announcement tomorrow. I know. I'm kind of excited to see what he says. I will agree with that. I hope the prices goes to 85K for the last shakedown. You talking about for Bitcoin? Hashtag payment right now. If XRP passes $3, it will go parabolic. It'd be nice to have a nice little bounce back for sure. It was an amazing opportunity yesterday. Was staring at the charts all day. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I think a lot of us were, just waiting and waiting patiently, waiting, and I think a lot of us paid off. It paid off yesterday. Yesterday paid off for a lot of us here in the chat for sure. And it's nice to have people to talk to, right? You guys talk with me. I talk with you. It's nice to sort of work through it and you feel better about it. And today is exactly why you do that. So yeah, just thankful for everyone that showed up yesterday. We had roughly 5,700 people in the chat yesterday, which was crazy. And, I hope a lot of people actually took some good things from it. And they're sitting today with a big smile on their face. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. I hope that we, again, all win in this space because it's a rough road. You sold all my cheap buys. I'll buy back and cheaper. Wish me luck. All right, dude. Good luck. 5K people were watching. We're here watching. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Daily candle looking good. Yeah, everything's looking good right now. We've kind of done a flip backwards. What is your target price for XRP this year? I said I'm hoping by the end of the bull, we're somewhere in the 7 to 10 range would be really nice. I ain't gonna lie. I said a real prayer to God, man. And it paid off, bro. It paid off, man. That H bar buy turned out great, my guy. It did, dude. I think we bought around the same time and then dipped again. I bought again at 19.5, and it came back, and that buy was great. And now we're back in the profits, like really good in profits right now. 27. Things are coming back hot. Even H bar is coming back hot right now. Bought at 24, bought at 23, and then I bought here at 19.5. Those are my 3 buys, and so yeah, we're up good right now. We're up really good. Even at the top of my buy, I'm up like roughly 15%, dude. You can't beat that. Even down here, we're up roughly 20%, and then down here we're up almost 39. So yeah, my swing trade on this is nice. And I haven't even put a trailing stop loss in yet. I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm like, you know what, dude? All that energy yesterday, I was like, dude, I'm just gonna let this thing ride, dude. That's kind of where I was at after yesterday. I was like, dude, let it go. I'm not even stop lossing this thing. Just let it go, man. I want to be paid back for my exhaustion. Major artificial market manipulation. Oh, 100%, dude. Trump signed executive orders creating a U.S. sovereign wealth. Yeah, we saw that. That's pretty cool. Suggest TikTok might be put into it. Oh, wow. I think I hope his talk is positive with Canada. You see the Ondo news? I did not. What did Ondo say? I can probably let's see if it's on X. Ondo. The financial system wasn't built for everyone. We're changing that today. We're thrilled to unveil a bold vision for the future of tokenizing. Along with that, oh man, that's a long ass freaking thing, dude. I'll have to read that on my time off. So Ondo, they're looking to work with BlackRock. Damn. So looking like they're tokenizing treasuries. Okay. That's pretty cool. Good for Ondo. Hey Austin, do you have a target price for end of day? I do not. I don't have a target price for end of day. It's too volatile to have a target price. I mean, I hope that we continue to rise. We're up to 278 almost. it would be nice to get back up into the, back up in here into the 382 level, because there's a lot of good support up here. But you can see right here, back to the 315. That'll be where we probably hit some resistance right around the $3 mark again. So yeah, I'll be interested to see where this goes. 315, let's go. XLM sending it. Yeah, I think a lot of things are going up right now. XLM, H bar, XRP. I think a lot of things out there are doing really well. Yeah, so a lot of money coming back into the markets, dude. Bouncing back as quick as it fell. I know. It's crazy how that works, right? I sold too low thinking I could buy it $2, but it moves so quick. Yeah, you got to be quick with the gun. Overbought like crazy right now. RSI might need a reset. Yeah, there's definitely let's actually look at the 12-hour. Well, the 12-hour is actually under purchased right now. So that's kind of good right now. The day chart's definitely under purchased right now. The 4-hour probably going to eventually hit this top. Hopefully we come back up here at the top of around the 99. So we'll probably continue to rise here for the next couple hours. We do have a new 4-hour candle forming here in about 15 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. This is there a catalyst out here moving us up, or is it just, I just think we hit such a rock bottom there, Kenny, that's probably catapulted us a little bit. And then, we got the Mexico, they're not putting tariffs on Mexico for another month. Hopefully meeting with Canada goes well today. We'll see the market turn around. I think there's a lot of positive things in the markets right now because of that. So a lot of this was scared tactics yesterday, but the Dow's already back up plus 32, so that's good. Nasdaq's down one. Everything's made a nice little reversal here, so you can't be too disappointed with that. Can't be too disappointed with that. What time frame is overbought? Well, right now, no, I don't think anything is over purchased right now. Not up until we actually get above this level on here. Even the 4-hour is showing that it's not. And I go off the 4-hour here, so everything's actually lining up pretty nicely right now. So we'll continue to see this rise up, hopefully. Dominance chart of Bitcoin, we can do that real quick. Yeah, it's coming down slightly. Bitcoin's back above 101. So look at that. Look at Bitcoin ripping, guys. Bitcoin's back above 101 now. Wow. Live on stream, dude. Back above 101. 101 for Bitcoin. That's crazy, guys. Damn. That's pretty crazy to see. The market is healing. I just think, the market's holding off. But yeah, we're starting to rally right now. It's good to see Bitcoin back above 101. We'll see if we can actually hold the pricing up here. We have a pretty good level of supports around here, right around this 102 level too. So total 2 is about to rocket in my opinion. XDC 10%, 10 cents. Yahoo XRP liquid staking on uphold soon. Okay. What's up with the Pure Wallet? It's still out there on the pre-sale right now for the Pure Wallet. If you want to, the links are down below if you want to look at it. Pure Wallet's still up for sale. They just actually updated it, so looks like the token went up to 4.4. So it went from 4.33. I don't know what it was yesterday. What did I buy it for? I gotta go back and look, but it's at 4.4 now. So this will continue to rise up. So you'll have another 2 days before this continues to rise up in price. So they'll continue to do that. Brandon, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Appreciate the hell out of that. $10 donation. Let's say HBAR XRP gets the height of the market. Do I have to transfer out of Ledger into Coinbase, convert to USD or USDC, waiting for the bear market, then buy back? That's kind of the process. Yeah, you'd have to move it over to an exchange to sell it. 100%. Yeah, that is the process. And then you can move it to USDC or to fiat, right? I just put it back in fiat and I'll put it back in my bank account. Or you can use it. You can move it to USDC and move it back. It's really up to you on how you feel, what's best for you. So, yeah, thanks so much for the $10. Scariest thing for my life right now on XRP, I have to sit there with a 4x long while it tries to figure out. Yeah, that's kind of nerve wracking. When BTC dominance drops and the price goes up, that's all altcoin pump. 100%, James, 100%. My wife had childbirth yesterday, and I was 1 meter from trading on Binance. Became a dad at plus 20%, dude. Congrats to you on having a child, dude. That is an amazing feeling. So kudos to you, man. And I'm so happy and that actually happened, man. So kudos, man. And yeah, that's a blessing. China market opened up last night and Wall Street opened up this morning and bought that dip. Yeah, that's kind of what happened. That's kind of what it looks like right now. I mean, we're about to break 278 right now. 278 for yep, there goes 278 for XRP. Damn. We are just climbing right now. We have about 10 minutes left on this 4-hour chart. This 4-hour chart's ripping right now. Thank you for yesterday. It reduced my anxiety 100%. Dude, that's awesome. It reduced my anxiety too. So don't realize that we're all in this together. So should we buy still? I mean, this was definitely in a buy zone. Still in a buy zone, guys. Technically based off fib. I mean, it's still a buy zone. Jimmy, his lunch maybe. Holy F. What's up, Daniel? Soon we'll be able to spend our XRP. That'd be nice if we could. Yep, pump it. Next wall is 280. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna probably hit a wall at 280 right here. It's not that big of a wall. Oh, you're talking about a sell wall. We can actually look at the depth chart here. Yeah, I mean, look at that. 280 right here. 280 is a pretty big wall. So we'll see if we can build past that. 280, then $3. Look at the $3 sell wall right there. Gosh dang. Yeah, we'll probably sit around here for a little bit, but things are looking good. Yeah, yesterday was awesome, man. Thanks for that. Yeah, it was awesome, dude. We are not even overbought. Yeah, we're not. The day chart's looking pretty healthy right now. The day chart's looking actually really good, to be honest with everyone. The RSI is looking really good from the 12-hour and from the day chart. Day chart's looking really good. So yeah, definitely overall not too bad. Not too bad. We want to sort of see how this over here happened. All this. We were like this. We're kind of probably going to do the same thing here and then have a breakout. So that's kind of what we want. This channel's a blessing. Push it, that blue Aries. Yeah, even yeah, it's good to even see H bar. It's good to see H bar rallying too, dude. It's really good to see that. I haven't been in crypto for long, but let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. It's not. Dangerous Dave, it's this is an unrelenting space. I say it all the time. Crypto is unrelenting, dude. It's you got to stay on top of it. You got to stay connected. You got to have patience. Again, practice patience. It's the hardest thing to do in this space, but if you learn how to practice it, you'll be so much better. And yesterday was a perfect example of that. So that's pretty funny. Hey, I had a baby yesterday, but man, I got a great trade in. I know that. That's great. I subbed. Oh, Matt, thanks so much for subbing, dude. What's the next step to buy the token after getting your Pure Wallet on Google Pay? What's the next step to buy the tokens after getting? So you actually don't want to use the Pure Wallet yet. The Pure Wallet has to come out on mainnet. So you have to buy the Pure Wallet tokens with like a MetaMask or a SafePal. So you'll get a MetaMask or a SafePal, transfer Ethereum on there, and then go to the website and connect it that way. Hopefully here soon in the next couple days, you'll be able to buy on the Pure Wallet token when it comes on the mainnet. So just wait until then. Do you F with Pepe? Yeah, Joe, I do. ETH is hot garbage. I know it can be a little rough. Would you recommend buying in now? I mean, this is still technically a buy zone, so technically it's a buy zone. Let's see here. Baby's name is Ripple. Does anybody know how XRP volume per minute right now? You can probably look at it. Excuse me. Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter is a good one. El Snapdian, thanks so much for becoming. Thanks for gifting 5 memberships, El Snap, to the A team right there. Appreciate that a ton. And if El Snap gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome. Thank you so much for the gifted memberships. Imagine if yesterday happened when Austin was MIA. Glad you're back. Pokemon Jack. I was glad I was here too, dude. That was a crazy set of events. World Decor, FOMO incoming. A lot of people got left behind, waiting for the lows. 100% World Decor. These are all great buying opportunities right now. You know what I mean? It's good to see you, Royal. What's the move from Robinhood? It only showed a dip 216, but I'm afraid of Coinbase always freezing transactions. Yeah, you got to be careful of that. I mean, that does happen. Crypto's like offshore fishing, ups and downs. I kind of like that. Cheers, everyone. No, I appreciate that. L Snapton. ETH is toilet paper. You guys are funny, man. I hope there's a big dip in 2 to 3 weeks after I get my tax return, Ashley. That's funny, dude. How much do I have to donate for you to cover Toshi? I don't even know Toshi. I mean, you don't have to. It's not about that. I don't know enough about Toshi to even look at it. So that's the only thing. I know a lot of people like it, and I'm happy for people that made good money off of it for sure. All right, we're coming up to we have about 6 minutes left in the 4-hour chart. We're gonna push, see if we can push into the 7-8 for this next there. Here we go, 7-2-7-8 right here. Pure Wallet is a project that's releasing right here. It's called Pure Wallet. They're releasing a pre-sale for a Pure Wallet token. It's a wallet. It's the first cold storage, offline, and hot wallet all built in one on the phone. Like you'll have it all on a singular device. And yeah, it's a pretty cool. I have it all connected up there. It's a token that's going on sale, pre-sale, and it's the driver of the wallet. So here's like all the token benefits if you want to look at it. So that's what we're all talking about here. So. Just subbed. Hey, Millamane, thanks so much for subbing, dude. Austin deserves a silver YouTube button. I appreciate you, Corey. Marlene, dude, thank you so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A team. If Marlene gifted you a membership, please say thank you to her. And again, appreciate it so much for the gifted memberships from both you and El Snapted for it. And yeah, if those 20 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys being here. And welcome. And thanks again. No, I got the hiccups. What's your favorite stock to swing trade? I mean, right now it's XRP. I don't really swing trade stocks. I do own stocks, but I don't swing trade them. Those are just holding on. I don't even talk about them a whole lot. But yeah, I don't swing trade those at all. Take some vitamin C. We need you healthy. I know. I'm actually feeling a little bit better today. I was feeling like crap last night. Will PayPal be on exchange? Yeah, the whole goal is to put them on some exchanges, on legit exchanges, Mike. I hope that they don't put them on some like ghetto exchanges. You know what I mean? That's just my personal opinion. Because some of those exchanges are trash. This is your favorite thing to look forward to, I guess, as part of getting old. All right, Dennis. Hey, man, we're looking for the future, bro. We're looking for the future. Austin, give me a fun price prediction for XRP in 30 years. I mean, I hope that we're above $100. You know what I mean? I think that would be a fun thing, above $100 for XRP in 30 years. I mean, some people think that's small, but I mean, you know, that can happen, right? Does this meeting with Trudeau have a potential to crash things? It probably could. I think you can use Phantom. Let's actually look. I have never looked to see if you can use Phantom, but you might be able to. Let's look. Go to all wallets. Let's see if Phantom is on here. Yeah, you can use Phantom right there. Boom, Phantom. Connect your Phantom wallet, and boom, you're ready to go. I just don't have a Phantom wallet connected, but yeah, it looks like you can use Phantom wallet. So that's the best part of having the wallet connect on here. And I'm hoping that now this all wallets, you'll be able to hook up a Pure Wallet from the all wallets and actually use the Pure Wallet as a way to buy it. So that's the goal, is to hopefully here have Wallet Connect for the Pure Wallet. Austin, can I download the wallet to my phone yet? Yeah, you can download it. Just don't send money. It's in a test net right now, Jason. Just don't send money to it yet until the main net's up and running. But yeah, you can go to the website there and download that wallet on whether you're Android or Apple. Does this meeting with Trudeau? Yeah, I could probably have an effect. Well subbed yesterday during the crash. Hell yeah, Antoine. Appreciate you being here, man. Our price prediction still the same after liquidation events. Yeah, they're kind of working their way back up here. Right now, it's just trying to recover and find areas of where we can actually buy these things at. And this is showing us that we're in a nice little area. So we have about 2 minutes left in this 4 hour until we get the next 4 hour, just to give everyone a heads up here. So if I get a membership, can I be Mr. T? Sure, why not, Rudy? XRP is ripping again. Yeah, a lot of these things are coming back up right now. H-bar back to 276, so that's nice to see. You think it's too late to open a long? It's tough to say, man. I try to avoid the leverage stuff. Austin, you buy those Starbucks stock yet? No, I need to. You like that? Cool Cat? I love you, man. You like that monkey wallet? Appreciate you, Cool Cat. New one here. Enjoy. You are live. How do gifts work? I think you got to turn your gifts on somehow. I think people say that. I don't know. Russ seems trustworthy. Must be the blue shirt. Slim Jesus, you killing me, bro. Man, I'm new to the whole crypto world, and I'm a bigger believer in XRP. Yeah, XRP does pretty well, dude. You can't really mess with it. I don't know. They haven't said, can you make a video on the test wallet? Yeah, I can. I've did it on Discord, but yeah, I could probably do something like that. When is Trump meeting? I think they haven't said today at all. GS, I know. XRP is officially bear trend. Patience is a virtue. It is. Patience is a big thing, dude. Memberships are randomly picked. Yeah, they are. Am I the only one that wasn't stressed with yesterday's crash? think there's a lot of people that are just waiting, practicing patience for sure. XRP minnow, 100%, right? Some people went a little crazy, but I think some people were just trying to, take it in stride and learn and understand. I think a lot of people did. I think a lot of people got a good taste of what it is. All right, so the new 4-hour candle just kicked on right here. We're coming down slightly on that the next 4-hour right here. So a little bit of some resistance here at the 275 marker. So hit some resistance at 278. So we'll see if we can build this back. Get Austin some Starbucks. Ruben, thanks so much for the donation to the channel, dude. Thanks so much for the therapy yesterday. Haven't been in this world so very long, and my heart went diving yesterday. Greetings from Liechtenstein. Wow, that's crazy. Ruben, thanks so much, man. And yeah, that's kind of what we're here for. It's kind of nice to have a place you can go to and talk crypto and feel better. So, I do come on here every day at 10. Well, not every day. Some days I don't. I do miss like potentially Wednesday. I might not be here. But usually I'm on here every day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to talk about crypto and things like that. And I do try to come on at nighttime to stream as well. So yeah. A hodl for the real. Yeah. I downloaded Pure Wallet and created an account. What's next? Yeah. So to buy the Pure Wallet token, you got to actually send money to to like MetaMask or a SafePal until Pure Wallet becomes part of the mainnet. And then you could buy that way. So best channel on YouTube. Appreciate that, Mike. Thanks so much, man. BTC just hit 102. Yeah, it's hovering right around the 102 level right here. So that's good. Yeah, guys. Martin, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Pull that fib on XRP from the low, test to the 382. Yeah, you're telling me to pull the XRP from here down here further. Yeah, I probably could. I still kept it the same just because that was such a unique situation that I kind of kept it the same. But yeah, you could probably pull it down and pull it back up, but I'm going to try to keep it here because that was just a one-off here. So I'm going a little bit against the rules here, but it's okay. I kind of like where it's at. So, Liechtenstein. Oh, that's from Owen Liechtenstein. Yeah, but all right, guys. I've been on here. We saw this move over. We're going to see this continue to go out here. Been on here for 2 hours, waiting for that 4-hour chart to roll over. Appreciate everyone coming on today. Thank you guys all so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for just the support. It's nice to see this come back up. It's nice to sort of see this, us get out from underneath where we were yesterday. It puts a big smile on my face to know that a lot of people here are in the positives, and I'm just super happy for you guys. And again, Martin, thanks so much for the $2 donation and everyone else that donated to the channel, and just being here to support the A team. And yeah, I'll try to be on tonight. I got my son's volleyball, his volleyball game tonight. So he plays at, I think he gets done at starts at 5:30. So I'll try to get here. It might be like a 7 p.m. stream, might be late, but yeah, Liechtenstein. Yeah, I know I messed it up. Where are my coins? Just buy the token in Pure Wallet. No, don't buy it in the Pure Wallet. Buy it on like SafePal or MetaMask, and then they'll get airdropped to you when they launch. So yeah, that's the best way to do it. Yes, thanks for all the dudes in the chat. Appreciate you guys a ton. Love you guys a ton. With all that, have a blessed day. We'll see you guys maybe tonight if all things go well. With all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone.